Alrighty, good morning everybody. How are you? Wow, you're awake. Must have been something about homecoming to make you guys wake up for Monday morning. So, great job. And great job at the dance. So for a school of 400, we had 323 students at the dance. I mean, that's crazy. Great job. Just a quick reminder, just to stay off your cell phones, give everybody your attention. I thought Friday you guys did a fantastic job of that. And I'm also not sure where the rumor came from that you couldn't have your phones at the dance, but you know, we're not gonna be that strict. Like, you're at the dance, right? Have fun. But it's a good reminder to maybe interact with your peers and your friends rather than being on your phone. So. Couple of quick reminders with the cell phone, since I just brought it up. Students are starting to get in trouble as they walk the halls in classes, going to the bathroom, taking out their phone. So just so this way nobody gets in trouble, leave your phone behind in your classroom. Teachers, just remind the students if they're going to the bathroom just to leave their phones. That way they're not tempted. But so far so good with that. All right, we came here to celebrate Students of the Month. So let's get right to it. And let's welcome the freshman teachers. Freshman teachers, come on up. All right, who's the lucky? It's all right.
All right. October, Freshman Student of the Month. The Freshman Student of the Month contributes to the Winslow High School community. Playing on the field hockey team, she's kind to classmates and other students in the building. When teachers post suggested practice work in Google Classroom, she completes it, making sure that she has done everything possible to understand the material. She uses her every spare minute to complete assignments and learn that and be all she can be. This month's Student of the Month is Belen Farnham. You have to do a long walk across a long gym floor.
The sophomore being honored for Student of the Month is a quiet leader who has impressed her teachers with her willingness to take responsibility for her learning, always being prepared, and being an active participant in every class. Here's what some of her teachers say about her. This student is a constant, calming presence in the classroom. She's helpful to others and makes her classmates feel welcome with her friendly attitude. She is an amazing and integral part of Student Senate. Her work ethic, willingness to complete necessary but sometimes unpleasant tasks, and her sunny personality make her a pleasure to be around and a valued member of our group. This student displays a quiet confidence in class, very dependable, and all her assignments are of high quality. and a thoughtful leader discussing problems in math class. As you can see, this student has more than earned the honor of Student of the Month. Congratulations, Brianna Spalding.
Let's hear it up for the junior teachers.
The Junior Student of the Month contributes to a school community by being an effective collaborator during classes. His listening and observation skills are stellar. He works well with others and is supportive of his peers. He can see the strengths in others and encourages meaningful academic conversations. And Mr. Bell says he has a great taste in music. The Junior Student of the Month is Salmon Big U.
I don't know if it's a good thing to have the same exact shirt as your principal, but I did tell Sam that I did have that same exact shirt, or still do. But so that means he's probably going to throw it away after today. I don't know. Alrighty, last but certainly not least, let's hear it for the senior teachers.
What makes a student an exemplary example of what it means to be a Black Raider? Our first Student of the Month for the senior class checks a lot of the boxes. For 3 years, she has been a 3-sport athlete, taken numerous college-level, advanced placement, and honors-level courses. She is one of the most conscientious members of the senior class, and her exemplary work ethic in and outside of the classroom shows evident on a lot of occasions. Our senior student supports her classmates in academic and non-academic endeavors. Her teachers remark about how she motivates others. One example comes from a scenario where she was working in focus time with a student of the same class but different section to help both of them understand the material better. She strives for excellence in all that she does, but does so quietly. Her willingness to step up and rise to challenges was evident on orientation day. She did an amazing job supporting the new student to our school for whom English was not their first language. Our first Student of the Month for senior class is someone you will often think of when you want a steward of the kind of school environment we want to foster here at Winslow High School. Please join me in congratulating Kyrie Meek.
All right, how many do you think it's cold in here right now? Okay, so at this point, I'll let